Good morning, everybody. Matt Holte, Operations Section Chief Trainee on the Oak Ridge Fire. Today is June 30th, 2024. The fire is currently at 1,190 acres. Walking around the fire, update for yesterday in Division Alpha. We had crews at the Alpha Union Break, really keeping an eye on this and keeping it checked up for us with aviation resources. They also made sure that this piece between drop point 4 and the break is very secure, so they bought us time to come up north. Also in Division Alpha, we had crews working from drop point 2, which is just north of Panther Creek, working down this road into drop point 4. They made it down to about here yesterday, and they are going to continue that today and get that hopefully tied in by the end of shift. Also in Division Alpha, we had some crews working from drop point 2, and this is where we're really going to try and tie it into the Junkins burn scar over here. They started working across, and we're still looking for ways when we hit these chunks of private to minimize our impact on the private land, but we're starting to work across that. Division Kilo, same thing. They continued their mop up and securing of this piece of line down from drop point 4 back to on the Forest Service land. They're going to continue that today, make sure that's really secure. They finished prepping the secondary line out here, and that'll be finished this morning before lunch. And then they are also going to continue with the hand crews, bringing it down over by Potato Mountain and tying it into the Second Mace Trail. Division Uniform, over here they worked from drop point 20 down to about the Fairview Meadows. They put dozer line in. You can see it right there on the map. They tied that in, and this morning they're going to come over to the Second Mace Trail with that line, and they're going to bring it across and tie in somewhere in here with the crews from Division Kilo. And then after that, we will find a way to bring it north and tie this side in with the Junkins burn scar as well. Over here, we have the structure group. They pretty much finished in the Beulah Highlands area, and then they are going to disperse a little bit today. They're going to be working down in Squirrel Creek, assessing and triaging structures out ahead of the fire. And then they're also going to be up in North Creek doing the same thing. So we're looking farther out now. And then also, if they have a chance today, it might be a project for tomorrow, but they're going to start getting out into this 165 corridor where we've been working, and we've got some cabins scattered along this, and they're going to do the same thing. They're going to be looking for structures that need attention, and just so that we're aware of them. Now that we've kind of got the big picture plan in, we're in the weather to buy us the time to do it. We're going to start looking at how are we going to bring this fire down to our lines, and we're going to start possibly implementing some smaller burn operations to slowly bring it out to our lines, very controlled, low intensity, and try and just bring it out on our terms so everybody stays safe. And we, in addition to suppressing the fire, we also mitigate the long-term risk to Beulah and the watersheds. Thank you.